So I tried all these today in sort of a medium clarity lake. It's not really clear and it's not really murky. It's sort of in between. So this will apply to many lakes across the US. And I'll show which one today emerged as the victor.
All right, birds, get out there and show me where the fish are. Enough flying around here, guys. Let's see what we can do. The water for Lake Arthur this year is surprisingly clear. Check that out. I can still see probably 4 feet down. It's usually about a 3-foot visibility, so I'm gonna go with the more realistic presentation, the Berkley Gulps. Not much sparkle to them. Really no sparkle. There's a fish. Nice one. I don't know, it's coming right in, or is it just swimming toward me? I think it was just swimming toward me. What are you? Yeah, so this is right on the periphery of the cribs. So you have the bigger fish hovering around the outside. What are you, buddy? Or is this just a cat? I think it might just be a big catfish. It's okay, it means the fish are feeding on the gulps. Yes, big cat. Not a big cat. Beautiful coloration on that fish. Not at all what I'm here for, but fun to catch at least something. I was wondering what that was on the lake right there. And then I realized the jacket I just took off is no longer behind me. The thing was like $50 at Nordstrom's too. Look how buoyant it is. All right, back in business. Note to self, put the jacket underneath the line for the net so when you pull the net out it does not release your jacket. Let's get back in there. All right, get this Berkley Gulp back out there. Got the perch Keitech on this side. Heavier line, so it's going to troll a little higher along that shoreline. Lighter line, 8-pound braid on this side, a little deeper. I'm just going to go along these peninsulas where they come down and create this little drop off on both sides of this peninsula. That was a big fish. It bent the hook right out. So that was one fish on the Berkley Gulp and one fish on the 4-inch Keitech. So I'm gonna keep trolling both. But I just sharpened the hook. Used this thing. It's only like $5 off of Amazon. All right, right back out there with the Keitech. That was trolling right over this peninsula here. It makes these little shoals that come down. Create some structure. That's a fish. Not huge. right in. Oh, got some fight. Another cat. Good fighter, jeez. Not even that big. Real good fighter. Another decent sized catfish. Alright, so we have a winner from the challenge. So the one on the far left, we'll go left to right, did not catch any fish. That's got the long hook and it makes the soft bait go more rigid. That caught nothing. I've been fishing it a few weeks and it caught nothing. The old Berkley Gulp that I use pretty often with the tube head jig, that caught the two fish, the two cats. It's a shorter hook, so it allows the Berkley Gulp to be a lot more loose looking, natural looking, not as rigid. I also use the same jig head with the perch colored Keitech. That caught the biggest fish by far. So big that it actually bent the hook. That was definitely a good fish. I'm gonna give the edge to the Keitech here, the perch color with some sparkle in it, mostly because water's a little hazy. Inland lakes like this is Lake Arthur. A lot of lakes are like this where clarity's not as good. You need a little sparkle. Edge definitely goes to the perch colored Keitech. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.